Hello, this is Benjamin, and I'll be your guide on walking through what is underneath the Admin option menu on the left side of your editor. Without further ado, let's go to the left, just beneath Dashboard, and we'll click on Admin. Underneath Admin, you have two options. You have Account Info and Users. We'll jump into Account Info. Here you can see the facility ID that's assigned to this particular dealer. It's your unique number that is in our system that helps us quickly identify your account. We have the name of the business, the email of the business, the main email. Usually, this billing information would be one of the head honchos at your business and their phone number and email. And we have the sites listed right now. This one is live, so we have the live address here. If this site was still in build, you would have the build address here. And then down beneath here, you have your account users. In other words, all the people that you have signed up that can now get in here and edit in the editor to make changes on your site. Next, we'll go into admin and into users. Now here you have all of those users of the editor again, all the people that can use the editor. And if you wanted to go through and create another one, I'll walk you through the process. We'll click on create new. First, we need a name, so we'll say bob.bob at Lead Venture. Simple. So we have their first name here. You can do first and last name or just first name, their business email here, and then of course your password, which for today we're just going to say Bob 2023 and ampersand. So the same thing for this one, BOB 2023 ampersand. And then if you did want to put his business direct phone number and the address of the business, you can. But as you can see, it does not have one of these red asterisks next to that field, so it's not required. Now, here's where you control what exactly this individual that you're signing up can and can't do. Admin. Typically, there's only one true admin that can get into every single one of the functions that you see on the left-hand side. If you do want to have multiple admins, you certainly can. Integrations. If you have integrations such as point of sale integrations or Lightspeed, if you want people to be able to view and generate a report how that Lightspeed is currently doing, then you'll want to check this one. Leads. If you want to view the emails coming in from various pages of your site, like the contact us page and whatnot, then you want to make sure to check that one off. Dealer orders. Do you want them to be able to see all of the e-commerce controls within the editor? Yep. Do you want them to be able to go through and change the prices that are on the new models page site? If so, yes, dealer site. Do you want them to be able to go into site and pages and do things like change the paragraph that's on the home page? If so, check that box. Store. If you have both orders and store check, they will have full access to what is in the e-commerce portion of your editor. Endeavor leads no longer means anything. Dealer legacy import export pricing no longer means anything. Dealer reports. If you want them to generate reports not only on the integration side of things, but if you want them to generate a detailed report on the traffic that is coming across your site, then you will want to have this checked. And finally, dealer blog editor. If you said when signing up for your site and picking your website package that you wanted to have our blog tool and you want to be able to get in there, create blog posts, edit existing blog posts, reply to customers' postings, then you want to make sure this is checked off. Now, normally this is where you would hit sign up, but this is a fictitious user. So at this point, let's pretend that we hit sign up. You went up to the name of our business and clicked on publish changes. At that point, you would take Bob and email him at his email with his username, which will be his business email, and his password, which we generated here. And Bob can log in and begin editing here in the editor. That about wraps it up for what is underneath the admin panel. Again, my name is Benjamin, and I have been your guide on walking through the admin panel. Until I talk to all of you again, have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.